Hello guys, in this video we are going to discussing about how to solve this build tool revision 30.0.2 error in your Android Studio. So let's be started. So first we open this our Android Studio, then you can check this error. I run this application, one demo application, then you can check this error. This is running mode in now. So you can check like this, failed to find build Gradle, and it's 30.0.2. So let's be started how to solve this. First we copy this error and paste it on your Google. Then you can see this error solution in website Stack Overflow. If you got any error in your Android Studio, then this is a process to find this solution. So open these errors and you can check this solution of your any error, any type of errors. Okay, so this is the solution of that error. This is not exact, but this is the possible solution. You can check and solve your errors. So you can see this, go to files, project structure, and follow these all steps. Okay, fine. So I started this solution and go to our Android Studio, then solve this. First we click on file, and we have not 30.0.2. so first we need to download this. Go to file and project structure. Again click on cut this and click modules. Then you can see this all steps here, NDK this is processing now, and go to in properties. You can select from here also if this is available. If not available, then you need to download first. So just click here and select this. Okay, this is the first solution. I will provide you two solutions, both are good, so you can find the solution from here also. Okay, select this. This is our Android Studio latest version, so you can click here and set this and click on OK. You can check also NDK version is not available till now, and just click on apply and OK. Click on cut and OK. Just click on OK. This is the first solution. If this is the working, then this is great, and this is not working, then I will provide again second solution. So just open and run this again this application. I check this is working or not. This is in processing mode. This is our first application in latest version Android Studio. If you got any error, you can ask me. So this is in working mode. Just wait. Then you can check this. Our emulator is open now, and if everything is good, then this project is working and the project is running. So just click on run button. You can run your application in your real device also, but I run in our emulator. You can check this, error is again showing failed to find build version. So this is the second solution. Just click on SDK manager and click on the Android SDK. Click on SDK tools. You can check this. Make sure you have download. If this is not checkout, just click on checkout, and this is also checkout, and this is also checkout. Total 1 2 3 4 5. Total 5 is checkout now. If not check, then check this. Okay, and click on apply and OK. Okay, after downloaded this all, then click on run again. Then check this is working or not. Yeah, this is working finely, and hello world is running. perfectly. So this is the solution of this error. If you got any error, you can ask me. Thank you.